Blessings, everyone. We Tarry here, Sister Marcel. It is time for me to collect apples from the apple tree. The birds got us on a lot. I tried to cover some. I do have some already I collected yesterday. Here's a picture. I got on my kangaroo apron to collect these apples. So let's collect them. So here's my two apple trees, a Fuji and then a Honeycrisp over there. I've already picked the Honeycrisp, but here is the apples. Some of them are bagged, as you can see. The rest, the birds tore up a lot. But I tried to cover some so we can have some. And so it's time to collect them. This is an almond tree. So we're gonna see how this almond all in one do. But yeah, so it's time to collect these apples. So I'm gonna pull off this screen here. I was trying to find any kind of way possible to stop the birds from going ham on these apples. And they still found ways to get them. So we have some that has fallen down. And I'm gonna figure out what I can make. Let's see. That one looks pretty good. Drop it in. And I'm gonna just try to pick all the good ones off and leave the rest for the birds. Oh, and some dropped. I'm gonna try to get these that dropped. This one looks good. And this one looks good. This one we can always toss to the chickens. Let's see. We have this right here. Nice size. So I'm gonna go ahead and collect the rest. My daughter's gonna help me and I'll show you how much we got so far. And I got this tree about maybe 3 years ago. I got it from a nursery where they sell only mature trees that will yield within that year of planting it. So they cater towards like retirement folks who don't want to wait years and years for it to yield fruit. Well, this nursery, and it's called Kirk's Nursery, they only sell trees that are ready to yield within a year of planting it, or within that season of planting it. So I got these two, Honeycrisp and Fuji, 3 years ago, and I did get apples the first season I planted them. So looking forward to going back and looking to see what other kind of trees they got. So, but anyway, I might have a picture of when I first planted these. They were a lot smaller. They have grown, and I'm surprised it's done so well in this ground because we have orange clay basically. But I did them in the hole before I planted them, so that could be why. We fertilized it and everything, so yeah, they did pretty well. As you can see, the Honeycrisp is a lot smaller than the Fuji. Why? I don't know, but hopefully next season it will grow even bigger. All right, I'm back. Took all the apples out the bags from picking them. Put all the bad apples down on the pile there, over here, and on the other side. Knocked all the bad ones off the tree. Threw some to the chickens. Threw some to the sheep that they're down there trying to find. And so my kangaroo pouch here is full. So now we just have to rinse these off. And then I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm going to make. Apple butter, apple sauce, apple pie, apple juice. I don't know. What's some recommendations? Sourdough apple cinnamon bread sounds really good. So, yeah, now we gotta rinse these off. So now we're just gonna drop these in. So I'm gonna unsnap the kangaroo pouch here. Take this side. This side. No. Right. There we are. And so my daughter's gonna go get some fruit wash. And we're going to rinse these off. And then I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with it. So we put the fruit and vegetable wash in here, and my daughter and I are just kind of rubbing them and letting them just kind of sit in there. And then we're gonna take them out and rinse them off real good and bring them in the house. So remember, always pray in your garden, because although we plant, the Most High grows. Pray over your trees, everything over your land that the Lord has given you to be good stewards over. So God bless you guys. Shalom.